1903. Wright brothers take flight. For the first time, humanity broke free from the ground. A 12-second flight sparked the age of aviation. 1914. World War begins. A single assassination ignited a global conflict. Millions were pulled into history's First World War. 1929. Wall Street crash markets collapsed almost overnight. The Great Depression reshaped economies and lives worldwide. 1939. World War returns. The world plunged into an even deadlier conflict. 6 years of war forever changed global history. 1955. Rosa Parks' protest. One woman's refusal became a symbol of courage. Her stand inspired the civil rights movement. 1969. Moon landing achieved. Humanity stepped onto another world for the first time. A giant leap that inspired generations to dream bigger. 1989. Berlin Wall falls. Markets collapsed almost overnight. The Great Depression reshaped economies and lives worldwide.